इस वक्त हैं असद कलीम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान। असद भाई हमारे साथ काफ़ी अरसे से जुड़े हुए हैं एंड वी डिड डिस्कस अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विद हिम लास्ट वीक, क्योंकि देयर वाज अ डिफरेंट सिचुएशन इन पाकिस्तान सो ही कुडंट जॉइन इन, बट टुडे हम इंशाल्लाह जो है वो असद भाई से बात करेंगे। असद भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। कैसे हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah, sir. Alhamdulillah.
मैं
So, Azad bhai, is everything normal now? Everything is get back in shape, or we are still thinking of something else there?
no, life is a bit normal here, but
Acha,
in,
mashallah,
In
mashallah.
Pakistan we are still cautious about Mr. Modi's next move or his motives. Still unclear.
Right.
He is under pressure from the US and other world powers. Now he has forced himself to truce because India asked the world to hold the truce with Pakistan. Pakistan didn't ask for it. Pakistan just did its self-defense and replied and responded with Indian aggression, what it did two,
Very
three
good.
days ago.
So how was the stock market during that phase when the situation was not good there? Like when I was monitoring it, it went down a bit, like on the first or second day, and then it started getting stable. So how did you look at the stock market? What exactly your feelings and what's your comment on it?
Two countries, both are nuclear powers. India is persistently and constantly aggressive with Pakistan and attacked Pakistan's civil areas, which was very bad, and stock market behaved with its due course and it nosedived. But then during that time, we also heard the news that IMF approved the next tranche to Pakistan, but it
Yes.
didn't impact the stock market, and it was negative at that time too. When the ceasefire news broke out, everything changed. Stock
Okay.
market opened next day with 9.5%
Hmm.
increase, and during the first half, the trading was halted to uh, uh, mechanize the whole setup because it was very huge boost, and all top shares were up, and within 45 minutes, what I believe, what we have been told by the stockbrokers, that within 45 minutes of trading, when it commenced on May 12th, stock market rose by a 9.5%, which is very much high, and it was precedent in last 26 years. We haven't seen
Wow.
such bigger surge in 26 years. This happened. Next day, stock market also rose up and opened up 2.3% up, and it was very good. And everything seems normal as far as the Pakistan Stock Exchange was concerned.
Very
And
good,
still
very good. No,
today,
it's very good to hear, because investor confidence is always there to support the market and goes from then onwards. Now, another thing which is technically connected to this question as well, when the situation was not good there, when it was in the war, how was oil and energy sector was behaving? Because usually when these type of situation comes in, oil and energy sector gets hit very badly. So how was that going on at that time?
it was mediocre, no impact.
Oh, okay.
Basically, what we see, the top three companies like PSO, OGDCL, and Marigas, and Marine Petroleum as well, and TPL, they both saw minor fluctuations. Stocks were unmoved.
Hmm.
People or investors were not interested in selling or offloading or buying energy and oil sector shares. These companies didn't see a massive turn either downside or even upside. Now, still, they were stale, and till today they are stale. Apart from that, two big things happened in Pakistan stock market. Apart from this episode,
Hmm.
Indian aggression episode towards Pakistan, what Pakistan responded with befitting replies. Uh, Morgan and Stanley index included three Pakistani companies in its index, and two of them were cement sector companies.
Oh,
And
okay.
basically, what we saw on May 12th, we saw a very big leap in cement sector companies, Fauji Fertilizer, Fauji
Hmm.
Cement, as well as Maple Leaf Cement.
Hmm.
Cement sector scored very big, and we saw huge gap from previous close to new close, which were historics as well. This is what actually happened. Investors, either long term, mid term, or daily traders, retailers, all didn't go for energy sector.
Very good.
Their focus were on cement sector, Unilever Pakistan, and other blue chips companies.
Very good, very good.
This
So
is what
overall, I'm assuming that businesses get back into the normal shape, and soon this episode has been kind of is gone now and no more there. Business is getting back to it. Stock market is flourishing right now, until and unless something else comes up. But so far, everything is normal. Correct?
you are quite correct about it. But in Pakistan, we are certain. I've talked to some stockbrokers, leading stockbrokers. They are saying a technical correction is due.
Oh, okay.
And what they say, what they are seeing in the next couple of days, working days, in trading sessions, then profit taking will occur. But it will be a short time period. People go for profit taking.
Good stuff. Good stuff. No, thank
Rest
you.
is
No,
good.
it's very good information, and I believe viewers are technically waiting for you to give out that such information, because that's what we were missing in the last one. But from next week, inshallah, we'll try to come up and try to get more into company level information, so that we'll see how different companies are being doing in Pakistan, and we'll definitely discuss overall stock market as well. Thank you so very much, Asad Bhai. It was a pleasure